Ready to launch your career in the thriving beauty and aesthetics industry? Our laser certification program gives you everything you need to succeed. You will receive expert training in all modalities of cosmetic laser, and you will also obtain your certification as a member of Laser Safety. We prepare you for the 67-question face-to-face exam so that you can pass it safely. Opt for 24 hours of real procedure performing 10 live procedures, because practical learning is fundamental to mastering your craft. Do you need your Arizona laser technician license? We guide you through the application process to make it quick and stress-free. Looking for a job? We help you build your resume. Place yourself in jobs. Arizona is the perfect place to start your career in laser cosmetics. Don't wait any longer. Secure your future and sign up today.